A patient has been fitted with a cutting-edge 3D printed prosthetic eye for the first time ever as part of a unique collaboration led by University College London UCL researchers and Moorfields Eye Hospital NHS Foundation Trust. A 3D printed eye is a true biomimic and a more realistic prosthetic with clearer definition and real depth to the pupil. Unlike traditional methods, it is made using digital scans of the eye instead of an invasive mold of the eye socket, a process often so difficult for children they require a general anesthetic. Along with better aesthetics, the production process is also much faster. Traditional acrylic prosthetic eyes are hand painted and take about 6 weeks to complete. With 3D printing, once a scan has been taken, the prosthesis can be printed within 2.5 hours. It is then sent to an oculist to finish, polish and fit. The whole process takes just 2 to 3 weeks. In a world first, Steve Wers, a patient at Moorfields, has replaced his traditional prosthetic eye for a 3D printed version which he will use as his sole prosthetic eye. Steve said that this new eye looks fantastic, and being based on 3D digital printing technology, it is only going to be better and better. This first 3D prosthetic fitting is a precursor to a forthcoming joint UCL Moorfields clinical trial, which will evaluate the effectiveness of 3D printed eyes versus traditional handmade eyes. The trial will recruit up to 40 patients and assess the two prostheses for motility, that is movement, cosmesis, that is look, fit and function, comfort, mucus discharge and general benefits of use in daily life. Each subject participant will wear each prosthesis for 4 months. Motility assessment will be made at the start and following 3 months wear. People wear a prosthetic eye if the eye has not developed normally since birth, if there has been an accident leaving the eye scarred, or if the eye must be removed for severe pain or a cancer in the eye. Around 0.1% of the population need a prosthesis, 60 to 70,000 people in England. Prosthetic eyes are currently replaced around every 5 years and every eye socket is unique. With a printed prosthesis, the manufacturing time is cut in half. The patient has their eye scanned and the software maps out a 3D model of their eye socket for the printer. It also scans their good eye to ensure a precise match. The files are transferred to the 3D printer in Germany, where it is printed within 2.5 hours and the eye is then sent to oculist to finish, polish and fit. The whole process takes just 2 to 3 weeks. Fraunhofer's Cuttlefish eye software utilizes a 3D scan of the eye socket and a color calibrated photo of the healthy eye to create the prosthetic eye's 3D model. The trial is supported by the NIHR Biomedical Research Center at Moorfields Eye Hospital, NHS Foundation Trust and UCL Institute of Ophthalmology, and by Moorfields Eye Charity through the generous philanthropy of the Drayson Foundation.